Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to fix the email you provided is not supported in ChatGPT. Now, usually this error code happens in ChatGPT. I'm not sure exactly why, but this error code is usually happening when you provided an email already, or if you have already an account, or if your email is banned for some odd reason. Now, basically what you can do is you can first try to open incognito window and try to create an account with your email. Now that is the first kind of error that you can solve is by opening incognito window and trying to create an account. Also try to clear the cache. Sometimes you cannot log in or you cannot sign in because you already have an account logged in. You need to clear cache, so that will help you as well. Now the second thing is check the email address format. Now sometimes maybe the email address format is wrong, or you're already using an email that you used before on ChatGPT. Also, you can try by using a different browser. For example, for me personally, Google Chrome didn't work, and that's why I'm here on Brave. So Brave could be another option if you're using Google Chrome, or if you're using Brave, you can use Google Chrome and vice versa. Now, you can also check your email provider settings. Sometimes it happens that some providers may have specific settings that need to be adjusted in order to use ChatGPT. For instance, Yahoo may require you to enable third-party app access in your account settings. Also, you can disable browser extensions. That can be also the case. However, in most cases, that is not the case. So, what I would do if I were you, I would either try a different email address. If that is not working, I would definitely go and contact ChatGPT support, OpenAI support, because they will be able to help you out just with that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we will see you in the next video.